Facts about Marvel Cinematic Universe that will blow your mind. The original plan for the Marvel Cinematic Universe was to have Edward Norton reprise his role as Bruce Banner in The Avengers, 2012, but he was replaced by Mark Ruffalo due to creative differences. Robert Downey Jr. improvised the iconic line, "I am Iron Man," in the final scene of the first Iron Man movie. The sound effect for Thor's hammer, Mjolnir, was created by recording a hammer hitting a piece of metal and then digitally manipulated. Stan Lee's cameo in Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2, 2017, was the first MCU cameo he filmed after his wife's passing. Chris Evans turned down the role of Captain America 3 times before finally accepting. The Winter Soldier's metal arm is made of a mix of practical effects and CGI. The Russo brothers, who directed Avengers, Infinity War and Avengers, Endgame, made a cameo as the support group leaders in Endgame. Joss Whedon, who directed The Avengers, has a brief voice cameo as the character Dr. Banners in the same film. The language spoken by the Asgardians in the Thor movies is a mix of Old Norse and Icelandic. In Captain America, the First Avenger, Steve Rogers' pre-transformation body was created entirely through CGI. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such facts videos.